Welcome back. So in this video we'll be reviewing the Azure Recovery Services soft deleted functionality. Let's go to the recovery service vault. Let's go back here and click this, and here under protected items, let's where is it? Backup items, and here let's click the backup agent. Click view details. Computer name, and let's try to delete this. And let's add the details according to the docs, and the reason would be recycling, and the comments would be Az104 lab. So just adding the default names according to the lab, and here I'm enabling this. So there is a backup data for one backup associated for the servers. Understanding the clicking confirm will permanently delete all the cloud backup data. So I'll be clicking this, and I'll be deleting this. Click delete. So you see the delete has been failed. So because of the soft delete feature, that must be disabled before deleting this. So that is what it is. And if we go back and if we click Azure virtual machines, let's click this, and let's go back to the backup items, and let's click the virtual machine, and here let's view the details, and so let's click stop backup, and let's give the reasons here. Type of backup item, delete backup data, and let's add the type data backup name, and the reason would be others. Just adding that, and command would be this, and let's try to delete this. Stop backup, that is what we have to do. So let me stop the backup. So now let's go back here and let's refresh this. So the entry still exists. So you can see here we have an option called undelete here. So the operations will be undeleted like what we have done before. So basically this feature is provided by soft delete feature, so which is by default enables the Azure virtual machines backups. So that is what we're able to see now. So we can directly click undelete, and everything will be back again. So if you go back to the vault, and let's go back to the properties, so if I check the security settings, let's update it. Now let's disable the soft delete here. And similarly, let's delete the security features and click save. So basically this will not affect the items already which are in soft delete state. So now if we go back to the backup items, so now let's click this and let's undelete this one. This is VM 0. Let's delete this, undelete. So now it has been back to the same stage before deleting, and now let's try to delete this. So we have delete backup data, click that, and let's add the names here, which is VM0, and coming to the reasons, let's say it as others, and the comment would be Az104 10lab. And now let's click delete. So if you remember, we have already disabled the soft delete. So now let's click delete. So it's in processing stage, and it should be deleted because we don't have the soft delete has been disabled. So if I go back here, go back home, and let's go back to the vaults, and let's click this vault. Let's click backup items. Let's refresh this. Similarly, let's delete this one too. So I'm just adding VM0 credentials and just adding 1. And the reasons would be others and Az104. Yes, delete. So it has been successfully deleted. Let's go back and check the backup items. Let's refresh this. So you can see it has been there is no items for this backup. So we have successfully deleted all of them once we have deleted the soft delete. So whenever you disable the soft delete, you can easily delete the VMs and the backup agent that you have in 1 second. So before that, let's delete the resources. So once everything is done, make sure you delete it. So let's open our Cloud Shell. Since we are dealing with the commands of PowerShell, we'll be using PowerShell. If that is bash, in any case, you have to select the bash. So let me add that command. Okay. So we have 2 resources, as we know. Now we have to delete them. Let me add that command too. Okay, let me just add. So it has been running. So we'll just wait for that. So this is how you have to perform the operations. I hope you guys have understood the concept of soft delete functionalities. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thank you.